Welcome people, so welcome back. Yo, outside content coming for you one more time. We're at Lake Joffre. If you go to one, you might as well go to two. But the thing is, two is like an hour and a half. But if you go to two, you have to go to three. Because three is just like 25 minutes from two. So essentially, go to all three lakes at Lake Joffre. Hey, so let me show you how important YouTubers are, right? So before I came here, I saw a guy online who says that this hike took about 40 minutes. Bullshit. This hike is about... We're not even there yet, and it's been about... An hour. So I think that's kind of unfair. So YouTubers, when you do a video, make sure your information is correct. Taste that water.
I am tired.
Almost at number 3 glacier. It's a decent of a walk, kind of tiring. Some beautiful Instagram pictures. So if you ever come here, I'm gonna show you some pictures that you can take. But we're almost there. Super tired, but this one isn't as bad as the last one. So